Hello guys. I've got an exciting surprise for you. On high public demand and request, we are bringing you very popular psychology doctor, Dr. Curious. Dr. Curious will teach psychology in interactive and fun way, not in boring lectures like others. You can learn many good things, such as how to raise happy and healthy kids, how to deal with common childhood challenges, how to improve communication and relationships between parents and kids. Dr. Curious is a clinical psychologist who specializes in child and family psychology. He has over 25 years of experience with families. Dr. Curious is also a gifted communicator. He knows how to make complex psychological concepts easy. So don't miss out. Tune in to Hughesville Kids Hub tomorrow. Bye for now.